How to prove a wrongful death in a personal injury case. So, before starting, first of all, introduction is losing a loved one due to someone else negligence or wrongful action is an unimaginable tragedy. So, if the death occurred because of an accident or intentional harm, you may be able to file a wrongful death claim to seek justice and compensation for your loss. In this guide, we will walk through the key steps to prove wrongful death in a personal injury case and pressure the compensation you deserve. So, the first point is understand what constitutes the wrongful death. A wrongful death occurs when a person dies as a result of someone else's negligence, recklessness, or intentional harm. This could include death caused by car accident, medical malpractice, defective products, workplace accidents, or criminal actions. The key factor in wrongful death cases is proving that the defendant's actions were directly responsible for the person's death. Now, point number two is establish the legal relationship. In order to file a wrongful death claim, you must prove that you were legally related to the deceased person. Typically, the following individual can file a wrongful death lawsuit: a spouses, children, biological or adopted, parents if the deceased was minor, in some cases extended family members or legal dependents. This relationship must be documented, often through marriage certificate, birth certificate, or proof of dependency. So now the third point is gather evidence of or negligence wrongful. So proving wrongful death requires demonstrating that the defendant was negligent or at fault. This could involve negligence, for example, a car accident caused by a driver running a red light; medical malpractice, a doctor failure to diagnose a condition correctly; intentional harm, if the death was caused by assault or homicide. You need evidence such as accident reports, medical records, witness statements, and expert testimony to show how the defendant's actions led to the death. Now, the fourth point is prove the causation of death. So, it's crucial to connect the defendant's actions directly to the death of the victim. This is called causation. If the death was caused by an accident, you must show that the defendant's negligence was the direct cause. For instance, if the death was due to an automobile crash, you would need to demonstrate that the defendant's speeding or failure to follow traffic law led to final accident. Medical records and autopsy reports play a vital role in showing how the cause of death is linked to the defendant's action. Now, the fifth point is prove the damage. In a wrongful death claim, it's important to show the financial and emotional impact the death has had on you and your family. Common types of damages include funeral and burial costs, direct expenses related to the death, loss of financial support if the deceased was the primary income earner, you could claim the loss of future wages. pain and suffering, emotional distress caused by the loss of your loved one, loss of companionship, the emotional toll of losing a spouse, parent, or child. You will need to gather financial documents such as checks, stub, tax returns, and evidence of the deceased person's role in the family to help prove these losses. Now, 6.3, consult with an experienced wrongful death lawyer. Proving wrongful death in a personal injury case can be complex. It is highly recommended to consult with an experienced wrongful death lawyer who can guide you through the legal process.